In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Notion without using any extra tools. Now, this is a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be seamlessly integrating your files into Notion spaces. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to visit Notion. Open up your preferred web browser and head to your Notion workspace. Notion is a powerful tool that allows you to create a centralized space for organizing all your notes, tasks, and of course, files. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that first so that you're ready to add your files. Once you're in your Notion workspace, navigate to the page where you want to upload your file. This could be a page you've already set up for a specific project, or you could start fresh with a new page. At any point while editing your Notion document, you can bring up a very handy command by typing the / character. In this case, we will type our file. Now, as you type your file, in the body of your Notion page, you'll notice a small menu will pop up. This menu offers various options related to file handling in Notion. This shortcut is part of Notion's powerful /command feature, which provides quick access to a range of functionalities without having to navigate through numerous menus. It's a big time saver and makes working with Notion smooth and efficient. After you type file, simply click on the file option from the menu. This will initiate the process of attaching a file to your Notion page. You'll notice that when you do this, a dialog box appears, similar to a typical file upload prompt. Next, click on the option that says Choose a File. This will open up your computer's File Explorer window. From here, you can browse through your folders to find the file you want to upload. This could be a video, a document, images, or any other type of file you need to add to your workspace. Once you've selected your file, simply double-click it or select Open to begin uploading it to Notion. The file will upload to your page, and you'll see it displayed within the context of your document. This makes accessing your files quick and convenient since they're now part of the resource you're working on. And there you have it. You're now able to easily upload files directly to Notion, enhancing your ability to keep all your information neatly organized in one place. Remember, keeping your workspace organized helps in maintaining productivity and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy file uploading in Notion.